Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Molly.
with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Behind the Drywall. Today we're back at a project. If you're following along, we're at the Dominion and we're doing an entire first floor remodel for phase one. So a few things we wanted to show you that are new. We've got a wood floor that's going in. We'll show you that. But one of the things we wanted to point out is right here, we're standing in the dining room, and this was wallpaper that our client had already had done. So this is a great way to add a pop of color. And we're just changing out all the flooring. So the flooring is going to integrate really, really well with that. So
having said that,
yeah.
Here's the flooring over here. Of course, there are a lot of steps to get to the point where we could install the flooring. We had to mud base and build it up, but this is the flooring that's going in.
We had to smooth out the whole first floor. But this is going in all of the common areas. So this is a herringbone pattern. The same floor is going in the bedrooms, but we're going to do your traditional plank style straight lay pattern there. And it's going to really lighten things up. It is going to go great with the dining room that we just showed you, and that's a great way for a pop of color.
Yep.
We got some other
few other little areas that we can look at as well. And of course, that flooring's going up against the limestone that's here around the fireplace too, so it kind of complements it.
These are going to be painted a white lacquer color, so that is really going to look great. The island will be a black lacquer color. Really neat.
The flooring's neutral and goes with everything.
This puppy, this railing is going away with a new black
design.
Decorative iron design.
Yep. Then we go to
Also
the guest
really
room.
good with the floor.
Then we go to the guest room over here that is kind of the second part of phase one. But this will be all wallpaper in here. In the bathroom over here, it's interesting, shall we say?
Yeah. So the whole bathroom is going to be gutted. We're leaving the cabinets. We're going to paint the cabinets a beautiful green color. Everything else is getting changed up. This whole wall.
This is going to open the space up. Make it not quite a cave when you step in there.
And this is all glass.
All
right?
glass.
All the front.
Yeah.
And then didn't y'all made a discovery?
So there was flooring in here. We were going to put wood floor in. We ripped out the wood floor that was there. It sounded hollow. So we decided, let's check it out. So we cut open the plywood, and for some reason, it's hollow under here.
Let me demonstrate how deep it goes. So
look at that.
So what's going to happen?
We're just, as the flooring guy, we can just put our plywood back and floor over it. We just don't know why just this area had a drop floor. Might have been an original design and they changed their mind.
Who knows? But yeah, so the floor we just showed everybody that's all going in here.
As your favorite personality would say, you never know what you're going to find.
No, you never know what you're going to get.
I was close. Anyways, that's what's going on here.
All right. Well, that is the excitement of the Dominion project, and we will keep showing you what's happening. We'll be here for
a couple months still.
A couple more months, for sure.
We're now building it back up, which is the fun part.
Yeah. So you should be able to see us again back here next month. And please share with your friends and like us. We love great comments and any ideas that you'd like to hear about.
I really like positive comments myself. Thanks.
Awesome. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.